Folklore Suantraí Íosa, where we're looking at the readings for tomorrow, the 9th of June, the feast of Saint Colm, the dove of the church. And tomorrow, the first reading is taken from Romans chapter 12. And there, Paul writing, issues us the challenge that we should offer our whole lives as a holy sacrifice, pleasing, truly pleasing to God. That's a very strong challenge. And not to let our love be a pretense, but that our love should be like Christ and to sincerely prefer good to evil at every turn. We're living at a time in which the word love has been devalued. When the scriptures talk about love, they're not just talking about someone loving me and me loving them in return. They're talking about agape love, the Greek word, or caritas, the Latin word, for loving those who actually don't deserve it at all. Loving as Christ loves. That's our challenge. And that we would never harm another individual, even if that harm would bring us some material advantage. That we sincerely prefer good to evil. The challenge of the gospel to come and follow Christ. And you can see how difficult it is, because the birds of the air have nests, foxes have dens, but those who will follow the Son of Man will never be at home in this world. We're passing through. And so the challenge for us is to join with Christ and to allow his power. He has mastery over the wind and the rain and the storm and the whole of nature. And he can give us the power. We can do all things in the power of him who strengthens us. And vocation of being a priest or being a parent or being a single individual in the world today is only possible through the power of Christ. And that's what we see in the life of Colm. He will go on and he will found 5 monasteries, Derry, Dara, Kells, Swords, and the great Iona. He did some other minor foundations as well. But these are the 5 great institutions. We should read about Colm and be encouraged and know that we can do all things in the power of him who strengthens us, our Lord Jesus Christ. With thoughts such as these, let us go to our beds and let us pray that we shall awaken in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and on our lips. Agus gamano dia ila cocht shiv, ahar mak agus spirit nev. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.